This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So any questions before going to start the session? Any till now, whatever you have learned, any questions to anyone? Okay, fine. Today we'll try to understand ledger allocation rules. One of the topic, ledger allocation rules. Okay. What is this ledger allocation rules? What is this ledger allocation rules? Suppose take the example, I'm taking generalized example, and then I will go to our dynamics. I mean to say, if it is an organization, what is the function we will discuss. I will give you one example, like suppose my child birthday. So now, in my child is suppose studying 4th standard or 5th standard. Take the example. Section A has 45 students. Section B, it is 40 students. Section C, (35 students). Okay, so total it is 120 members. Total students 120 students. Then why it is 45? You can make it 40, 40, 40. But the problem is this section B and C is second language Telugu, and this is second language is Hindi. I mean to say a language. So the these are Hindi priority. Here it is Telugu. Of course, nowadays every school is in English only, English medium. The first language and second language will be there. First language will be English. Second language is here it is Hindi, and third language Telugu. In this, second language is Telugu and third language is Hindi. Okay, that is the reason there is not equal for each section. Now I have given 200 for my child birthday. So I have given total chocolates 240 chocolates. 240 chocolates I have given to my child to distribute. Then she has given, like 240 means she has given 80 chocolates here, 80 chocolates here, because 3 sections, 80 chocolates here. So she cannot distribute to students sometimes. She will give to her class teacher. Class teacher will distribute something. Okay, whatever it may be. Now 80, 80, 80, 240, fine. Equally it was given to the class teacher. But here the class teacher will distribute for each student 2, 2, 2, 2. Then it will be used 70 only. Here it is fine, no issues. 2 students for each student 2 chocolates, it is fine, 80. But here teacher is unable to distribute 2 chocolates, because if each student it is distributed 2, then it should require 90. But only 80 it was given. So because my child, because 80 is one packet, it is 81 packet, 80 is one packet, 3 packets I have given. So my child has given like 1 packet to section A, 1 packet to section B, 1 packet to section C. Box or packet, whatever. So here 10 is extra available. In this 10 is deficiency. So 10 is required. So in that case, my child, what she has to do? She has to take 10 chocolates here and she has to give here. Then there will not be any problem. Make sense? How it will be arrived? Total students is 120. Total chocolates are 240. So 240 divided by 120 equal to 2. So multiply with 2, multiply with 2, multiply with 2, then it will work. Understood, everyone? Small small information. Is it clear or any confusion? For section A, it was 90 chocolates should be given. For section B, 80 chocolates. For section C, 70 chocolates. Then each student will get 2 chocolates. So chocolates cannot be divided like a apple or something. You cannot cut. So you can give directly chocolate to your child, means the children. So now how it is relevant for our business, any business. Okay. Take the example now, insurance charges, health insurance, health insurance. If it is a health insurance, what happened? Total health insurance is same like 2,40,000 rupees. Total health insurance for this entire organization, it is 2,40,000 rupees. Now, one is finance department, another one is stores department, another one is sales department, one more HR department, one is admin department. Like 5 departments are there. Otherwise, one more department I will write, purchase department. Okay, so now I am splitting the expenses, 40K here, 40K here, 40K here. Whenever I'm posting expenses, each department wise expenses I'm booking 40K like this. Total is 2,40,000. So it was distributed like this, and it was entered, the expenses entered against each department 2,40,000, each department 40,000, 40,000, 40,000. HR department will come to me like, why are you booking expenses 40K for HR department? We are only 2 members. We are only 2 members, and for this department, HR department, you are putting expenses as 40,000. It is meaningless. 2 employees are there, HR department. Okay, in sales department, it is 40 members are there. For 40 members, it is 40,000. It was updated in the system. For 2 members also same thing, which is logically not correct. Okay, is it correct? If I'm booking expenses in the department wise, if I'm entering in the system 40,000, 40,000, this is not correct. Okay, fine. Otherwise I will make like suppose 20 members. Okay, 22 members now. Here stores department 6 or 4 members. Finance department 7 members. 26, 33. 3 members and 4 members. So total is 20 plus 31, 11, 31, 33, 36, 40 members. Total staff in my company 40 members. Okay, let me make it 48 so that for easy calculation, admin department I will make 5 and 8. Here I will make 6. So 33, 35, 40, 48. Okay, 48 staff. Now, how to distribute? If I am equally distributing for this department 40K and for this department 40K, it is not correct. Am I right? It is not correct. Are you able to follow me? Any confusion here? At least now the total amount for 48 members for 48 members, the total expenditure is 2,40,000. For 2 members, what is the expenditure? Then 2 multiply with 2,40,000 divided by 48. If you calculate, can anyone calculate? 10,000. 48. Is it correct? Anyone verified? 2 multiply with 2,40,000 divided by 48. 10,000. So for this department, 2 members, I need to update 10K. Like this, if I update here, it is for 40 members. Sorry, 20 members. For 20 members, 20 multiply with 2,40,000 divided by 48. It is 1 lakh here. 100K. And this is 30K. If you want, you can calculate. This will be 35K. This will be 25K. This will be 40K. Now, if you want, you can verify 75K, 85K, 110K, 75, 80, like 35 plus 30, 75 plus 25, 100K. Then there is something wrong. 1 second. Is it 40 total? 10. It is not. 13, 18, second. Okay, 35k, 30k, it is 80k, I think. Fine. 70, 65, sorry, this is calculation. 65 plus 10, 75 plus 25, it is 100k plus 48. If you can verify, it is 240k. Total, it is 240k. Now it was distributed. How it was? Based on the members, based on the people, or based on the employees, it was calculated now. This calculation is called fixed weight percentage. Not percentage, fixed weight. This is called fixed weight calculation. Are you able to follow me? This is called fixed weight calculation method in the system. So how it was calculated? The total health insurance paid to the insurance company is 2,40,000 rupees. Now in each department there is 6, 20, 2, 5, 8. Total members are 48 members. So for 48 members, it is 2,40,000. For 2 members, what is the amount? For 8 members, what is the amount? For 5 members, what is the amount? I have calculated. Based on that, it will come and it is updating. That is fixed weight. Can anyone unmute? At least you are able to hear me. Yes or no?
It's like
Yes.
2,40,000 by 48 and then multiply by number of people, right?
Exactly.
Mr. Satya Prakash here.
Yeah, Prakash. Yeah.
One more very simple method for these calculations: 2,40,000 divided by 48. Then it will comes for 1 unit, and be multiplied by 7, 6, or 20. It will come very good answer. It's very easy method.
Yeah, the same thing here. 2,40,000 divided by 48 and how many members?
Correct.
Okay, this is fixed weight.
So this one is based on the head count, correct? This is a
Yes.
head count method.
Yes. So it's not like only head, it is weight. This is 7 weight and this is 6 weight. For understanding purpose, I have taken an example as members, but this is a weight. The weight, total weight is not equal to 100. If it is fixed percentage, next one method is fixed percentage.
Yeah, then it will be 100. Then you can have square footage and all those things.
Total should be 100. In the fixed weight, it is not, total is not 100. That is the main difference between these two. One is fixed weight, one is fixed percentage. If it is a fixed percentage, it is must you need to have total 100. In this fixed weight, the total is not equal to 100. This may not be 100. Understood? In this, we are not making 100 at any point of time. Maybe, may not be. It may be 240, it may be this total weight may be any number. And we are proportionating this one. Whereas fixed percentage, it is always total should be 100. So one is fixed weight, one is percentage. So the same logic, sales department, purchase department, accounts department, that is finance department, and HR department. Now water expenditure, water expenses. In this, what I am doing, because it is for this one, I'm making 30%, purchase department 20%, finance department 35%, and HR department 15%. The total should be 100%. Here in this case, why it was finance department is used to meet finance department. Many people are coming outside from outside to discuss with the something. So I have proportionate like this. This is percentage, total percentage should be 100. So this, what is this means? Ledger allocation rules means your expenses should be split between departments, between business units, between dimensions. If you want to distribute, you can distribute the amounts in the system using this. One is fixed weight percentage, fixed weight calculation. Another one is fixed percentage calculation. Understood? Any questions here? One is fixed weight, I have explained just now. Another one is fixed percentage. This is ledger allocation rules. One is fixed weight, another one is fixed percentage method. For understanding purpose, I have taken health insurance. It may be any expenses. If it is based on the some calculation method, it is not 100%, then you can use fixed weight. If it is 100%, it is like this. Otherwise, another one.
So it will be used for all the expenses purpose, like for budgeting, or
All expenses, if you want to distribute between the departments, you can use this function. Between department, between different business units, you want to split the expenses once it is posted, once the transaction is posted after some time, you want to split the expenses between different dimensions. The dimensions may be business unit, maybe a department, maybe a cost center, any combination. Any combination, you can split these amounts between different dimensions. Another one is equally distribute. One more method, equally distribute. So in this, whatever the departments are there, it will be distributed equally. If it is 4 departments, then it will be 25-25. If it is 5 departments, suppose one more department, admin department, then it will show, it will distribute 20 equally. No need to modify always. If you enter the like a combination, dimension combination, distribute like a destination, then automatically it will split. This is equally distribute. Suppose take the example, waste papers. In toilets, waste papers, it was arranged. So that is for hand wash. Once it is hand wash is done, the paper napkins, it was there. So I want to distribute equally. So one is in the system, fixed weight is available, fixed percentage available, and equally distribute. Understood? Any questions here till now?
Sir, you mean to say that we will be having two methods. One is fixed weight method, and the second one is fixed percentage method. While allocating the cost or expenses to the specific department or cost center, is it?
Yeah, exactly.
If
So
we say suppose,
Yeah.
there
Okay.
will be 3. But
Yeah.
if there is, say suppose we have a cost center called 1001 or 1002, there will be each department will get a cost center, right?
Yeah, okay.
Sometimes we may spend more than what we have allocated. Example, 100k USD we allocated to the specific department, and we send.
Here I'm not talking about budgeting. Here the expenses, whatever it was there, I'm distributing between the dimensions. It is not planning, budget planning. It is not budget planning. Already spent the money. I spent money, some travel expenditure I spent.
Okay,
and
okay.
then
Already used money we are distributing. Is it, sir?
exactly, you're right. Already it
Okay.
was posted some transactions, some transactions. I'm sorry. Suppose take the example stationery items. Stationery items I have purchased. For the entire company I will purchase. So that I want to distribute these stationery items. So then I can make based on the percentage or based on the equally distribute based on the fixed rate. Health insurance I have paid to the insurance company. Now I want to distribute these amounts to different departments. So if I'm making like this, it will create problems. So I can use which method I want to do these expenses should be split into different dimensions. Here the dimensions may be a business unit, maybe a department, maybe a cost center, maybe anything. Your wish.
Understood, sir.
Okay. So let me show you this example in the system. It is not only three. There is one more method. Basis. One more method is there. That is basis. That basis is a little bit tricky. I will discuss with you this one later. Basis function, complex scenario. Let us understand these three scenarios and easy functions. One is fixed weight. One is fixed weight method. Next one is fixed percentage. Next one is equally distributed. These three, it is easy. You can understand. Basis for junior people, if you are able to follow, that is fine. If you are not able to follow, leave it. If anyone asks, interviewer is asking, I did not get chance to work with this feature basis. I worked with this only three. But first let me focus this one, these three, and let me show you, and then basis I will explain you at last. Okay, fine. Let me show you for understanding purpose. Let me go to this application. I will create one expenses and I will show you the distribution function. So what I will do, already existing transactions, if I am showing, it will be confusion to you. So what I will do, I will create one main account and I will enter some expenses and I will apply this rules one by one. Okay. So let me create one account. So printing expenses, it is already there, 606 6066600. So what I'm doing, I'm creating one more expenses, 606610. So printing, new printing expenses, something. It is expenses. So in this, there is no transaction. 60661110. Okay. So for this, what I will do, I will create some expenses. I will post some expenses. General ledger, journal entries, journal entries. Go to lines. Six zero 6610. So I spent $5,000. This is expenses, $5,000. Now I have posted. It was already happened. Now I want to distribute these amounts between the departments. It is already 5,000. It was posted. Now what I will do, I will make this fixed percentage. First I will show you fixed percentage. So 30%, 20%, 35%, 15%.
These are month-end activity, correct?
Yes, yes, it is month-end activities. So let me go to duplicate.
In this case, you will be hitting to a default department, correct, or cost center.
Yes, yes. I'm going to show you how to distribute.
No. Initially,
Hmm.
distribute is okay. So initially, when you do the expense account, you'll be hitting to a default cost center or department. I don't know what you call in Microsoft Dynamics.
No. So I have not entered any expense. I have not entered any dimensions. Let me finish and we'll discuss
Okay.
definitely. Let me finish the entire process. After that, we'll discuss. Okay, fine. So now let's just set up. Sorry, allocations, ledger allocation rules. So I'm creating a new rule, ledger allocation rule for printing expenses. Printing expenses, fixed percentage. This is the method I'm going to use. So if I write, it will not apply. If you go inside, so this is active and allocation methods. There are 4 methods. Now we are learning fixed percentage and the allocation rule, allocation journal name you have selected. It is activated. Now source is 606-200, 606610 is this is the expenses, and the destination from here also you can open, or from the ledger allocation rule also you can open destination. Click on new. So for 606620, sorry, 10, now department. So what is the like sales department? 30%. Let me go to sales department, 30%. Next, one more, 606-10. Next department, purchase department 20, finance department 35. Purchase department, let me verify if it is exist or not. Take the example, this is purchase department. Okay, so what is the percentage? 20%. 20%. Next, finance department 606610, finance department 35%. Yeah, finance department is there, 35%. Okay, next, HR department 15%. So it is showing clearly like the total percentage. Okay, so 606610 department HR, yes, HR is there. Now 15%. Now the total is 100% reached. So what we did it, we have created a new printing expenses, and we have mentioned the name. Even though it is mentioned fixed percentage, this is not the logic actually. It is only name description. Inside I have mapped fixed percentage and activate and journal name allocated. I have created journal, I have selected journal name, and in the source I have mapped 606610. This is the expenses, and this expenses should be split into different departments. So for sales and marketing 30%, for project operations it is purchase. Take the example purchase, or I will map this one project operations, something department. Okay, next, finance department 35 and 15. Okay, now the expenses already booked here 5,000 without any department. Any department I have selected, I have entered, because I don't know what is the split. I have entered like the department, like expenses. Now this is the rule, it was configured already. This is ledger allocation rule we have configured. Okay, now we can run this process allocation request. At the month end you will do it. Usually month end you will do it. What is the rule? It is printing and stationery expenses. Printing expenses as of date. So process here, post only, process only available. I am selecting process only, sorry, proposal only. It is proposal only I am selecting, and posting date is today, and I am clicking OK. Now if you go here, allocation journals, one journal is created latest. It was created by me, admin. If you go to lines, the 5,000 whatever it is there, it was split into department wise expenses. Department wise expenses. For 22 it is 1,500, and we can post this one. So before going to post, if you verify, suppose I'm just verifying trial balance or any report, I'm showing for trial balance, better purpose. Before posting, I'm just verifying inquiries and reports, not only trial balance, any report. So if you execute main account plus department, not there. Okay, so if it is not there, let me create financial dimension set. So chart of accounts dimensions, we know dimensions already. Now financial dimension set means the combination of the report, whatever the combination report you want, that combination you can create. So I'm creating new main account plus department. I want to see the report. Then we can select main account, plus department. One minute, let me verify. Department CN is there. Where is the department? Is
It's
it the
there
same?
on the top only. Satya.
Department is
It's
also
there.
there, sir.
Okay, 1 second. I think, give me a minute. The combination, if it is already exists, it will throw error message. Main account plus department. Let me save. Okay. Department is here. One second. I'm adding here. Okay. Save. So here, look at this one. If it is already existing one, it is showing rebuild balances and update balances. But new created one, instead of rebuild balances, it will show you create balances. Whenever you have created new one, you need to click on create balances. Click OK. One job is executing. It will not take much time. It will be maybe less than a minute. It will be completed. So this create balances will be converted to rebuild balance. The batch job is executing already. I'm just closing and opening. Financial dimension sets. Okay, main account plus department. Still it is executing. Okay, sorry, because the job will not execute, you know, like I'm showing you one more thing, services.msc. I have stopped this batch job. I will explain you this thing. Give me 2 minutes time.
Satya, one question here. Like, are you creating the views of the trial balance with the main accounts and the financial dimensions? Is that what you're doing right now?
Yes. So
Okay,
that
okay.
financial dimension set is a view, one view purpose. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So main accounts with having a departments to that is what we are doing right now.
Yes, exactly. You are right. Yes.
Okay.
So this batch job I will explain you after some time. What I'm doing, you don't know. What is this? I will discuss with you later, not now. I'm doing for to proceed. I will discuss with you this one. This is a little bit of techno-functional information. It is, to be frank, it is a technical information. Of course, technical consultants, they will discuss a lot, but I will give you more inputs about this one later, not now, because that batch job should be completed. So the batch job is not completed. The reason behind it was this is not running. Okay, it is running now. Refresh. It is starting actually. It should be running. Okay, what is this? I will discuss with you later, not now. Once this job is started, then only started means running. It is running. Actually, it is starting now. It should be running. Okay, let it be run. No issues. Now, meanwhile, I will show you in another way. So I want to show you the report. Simply one report like this printing and stationery, how it is showing the balances. Okay. Otherwise, I will show you another report. Let me try to show you this report. Give me a second. General ledger. So inquiries and reports. Dimension statement. From here also we can see. If you verify now printing and stationery expenses, then it will show you one account only, one ledger, one balance only. It is the entire 5,000. It will show. It will not show the department wise split because I have not posted this one. It was entered but not posted. Okay, before going to post, I would like to show you how it is reports are showing. Okay, suppose I'm selecting this currency, US dollars, or accounting currency only, or accounting currency and reporting currency, anything. Now financial dimension set. I'm selecting main account plus department or main accounts. Okay, let me take okay, only main account I will show you currently. It is processing. I'm showing you main account, and the secondary I'm selecting department. Okay, for which account now we have posted like 606610. Printing and stationery expenses 606610. Click OK. OK. Then it will show the report. I want to show from the trial balance. Now I am showing from another report. So the report format, it will generate, first time it will take some time, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, because the laptop, my laptop is a 16 GB RAM laptop. So if it is a server, it may take 5 seconds or something. But second time if you generate, it will be very quickly. It will be very fast. First time it will generate little bit, it will take some time, because the different technologies should be coordinate each other. X++, SSRS, and different technologies will coordinate each other. So first time any report, it will take some time. Second times if you are generating the same report or another report, it will be faster. Okay, it is running, no issues. Okay, look at this one, the report. It is posted to this account. There is no department wise split. There is no department wise split. Okay, so let me go to this one. Let me refresh. The batch job is executing. Okay, this we'll discuss later, no issues. Now what I will do, I will post this journal. I will post this journal. It is splitting the amounts in different departments. I'm posting now. I will generate the report once again the same format. Now the department wise split will show in the report. So I have posted. Now if you go to this report and we'll verify, we'll generate once again the same report. Dimension statement. Because it was posted with 50-50, like split it into different departments. Now look at this one. Now the report will be generated a little bit quicker. So look at this one now after posting. Now for without department, it is 0. 5,000 plus 5,000 minus 5,000, it is 0. This 3 lines. You can take first 3 lines. Opening balance 0, initially 5,000, now it was 0, because it is without dimension, the amount is 0, and with the 22 dimension, the amount is 1,500. With the 24 dimension, it is 3,250, and another one is dimension, like, sorry, not this one, this is the amounts: 1,500, 1,750, 750, and 1,000. It is in accounting currency, it is in reporting currency. Understood? This is in transaction currency, this is in accounting currency, this is in reporting currency. So department wise split. So if you pass department 022, it will show you only 1,500. Understood? Any doubt in this? So if I generate 022, only 022, then it will show that corresponding department expenditure. I can pass department inside if you want. Okay, you can apply the filters. In the screen here, you can apply the filters. If I want to pass department as only 022, then it will show the expenses belongs to that department. So this is mainly for reporting purpose. Tomorrow I will show you remaining methods. Today I have shown you fixed percentage. Remaining methods also I will show you tomorrow. Ledger account dot department. Then you can pass only department wise expenditure. 022. Then if you click OK, it will show you the department wise expenditure. Only 022 department expenditure. So whenever I am generating reports, at that time I will generate only for 022 what are the expenses. I will filter only 022 and I will I will generate reports for all expenses. What is the expenses belongs to this department? Then I can see the transactions. So look at this one. It is showing only specific department. All these are for the reporting purpose. Okay, let me verify this.
Sir, is it still a end user job?
Yes, this is also end user job only. Because the setups you need to explain. You need to explain to the business users this one. Ledger allocation rules. It is your task.
Okay,
Ledger
sir.
allocation rule, it is your task, and execution will be done by you are not going to do it. End users will do it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because whenever you are providing training, at that time you need to showcase only not setups. You need to showcase this one, and you need to execute this one, process allocation, and you need to show the results, so that you will get confident on what is this ledger allocation rules and what is the benefit. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in entire finance, AP, AR, cash and bank, remaining all are not complex. Only general ledger related topics. You need to be very much, you need to put your efforts to understand better. If you want to become a finance consultant, general ledger module is a little bit complex to understand, but yes, it is possible. Okay, this ledger allocation rules is a part of GL. You can define this one. Yeah, any doubt now, please? Yeah, Ajit, now tell me, like, if you have any doubts, please discuss now.
In Dynamics, you don't have this concept because this is a what do you call this 6 series are expense account, correct? So for expense account, you will be making the cost department as a required, correct? Whenever you post. So say for example, like certain expenses like rental. Say for example, by default, it will go to a particular department. Say for example, facilities department. Entire for the month. It already hit the facility department. Maybe facility department allocation is 20%. 100% hit facility department. So now the facility department will transfer it from their department because it already hit 100% to their entire cost to their department. 80% to remaining departments. It can be finance, HR, and so on and so forth. So 20% they'll keep it out of which is already 100% hit. Remaining 80% they will distribute it out.
So if it is like that, you can have that feature also in this one. So you can have the department like whatever you are telling, like it is facilitative. Okay, what I will do for this account, default dimensions, I will map this one. This is a facility department. Okay, and you can enter whenever you are posting expenses for whatever you are posting. This is a facilitator. Suppose you can post 100% to this account, like the combination 6013. Suppose I don't want to disturb this one. Give me a second.
Okay, got it. It's doable. So in that case, because for integrated purposes, you'll make this 6 series account your expense account to have department, correct? Because you want to force the user to enter the department as one of the dimensions, correct? You don't want to be it blank.
Yeah. So if you want it really like a facilitator as a default dimension and you want to update, then you can go to this one source. You can map default dimensions as that one, and you can map the dimensions here, and you can source is department with the combination, and destination is whatever you want. Make sense? It is achievable. You are putting in your scenario, you are putting all expenses into one specific department. Right? You are telling like this, and 100% will be posted here. So this one you can source as this combination. Destination is whatever you want. I'm sorry. Make sense?
Yeah. So in this case, you can give the percentage accordingly and then keep the 20% in the facility department.
Yes. This is as per your requirement. You can configure your wish, whatever you want. It is a configuration.
This allocation rules, business doesn't have access to do it because these are settlement rules. It's not a configuration, correct?
No. Actually, business also they will have access. So they will have access, but you need to explain to the business.
Yeah,
this rule.
They will be doing it correct by themselves.
Exactly. Initially, at least you need to configure this one, and you need to show the you need to explain this information to your business people. Then only they will understand. So UAT, user acceptance test, is the major task. We need to provide this information to the business. Make sense?
Yep.
Yeah. Fine. Today I have shown only fixed percentage. Tomorrow I will show you equally distribute and fixed weight also.
So tomorrow you done this process again because I missed one. I think so. When we were running the allocation, I didn't pay attention or what. So you will be running it again, correct? Creating the rules and then allocating it.
I will create one more equally distribute one role, and I will show once again.
Okay.
Yeah. And like basis, as I told you, basis is a little bit complex scenario. Okay, for junior people, if you are able to follow whenever I'm explaining, fine. Otherwise, if you are not able to follow, leave it. Okay. So first I will show this all three. After that, I will explain you basis most probably on Monday. And one more thing, tomorrow we have session, and on Friday we don't have session because on festival I have some other work. So on Friday we don't have session once again. Tomorrow we have session as usual. Tomorrow we'll have the session. It is Thursday tomorrow. We'll have, and Friday only I'm giving a holiday on Friday, and once again we'll have the session on Monday. Okay, fine. Any more questions, please?
Sir, one question. In what cases we do the general journal entries?
So if it is not accounts payable, accounts receivable, means customer payment. If it is not customer payment, vendor payment, there are many areas we will use this function. Means suppose your courier charges, the courier came and you need to pay courier charges to the courier. Then you can come to here and you can click here, select and go to lines, and you can enter the courier charges expenses. There are many things. It is a weapon for the accountants. Okay, courier charges I will enter here, and I will enter offset account as petty cash, and I will post. Not only this one, there are so many things. We'll discuss in detail. Most probably by after 3 days or after 4 days we'll discuss. So there are many options. Not only this one, write off. See, look at this one. There are so many journal types. General journal, anything from left side, anything right side. Some claims, intercompany transfer. I am going to explain you this one also, intercompany stock transfer. Sorry, intercompany financials. Okay, some adjustments, write off, some travel expenditure. There are many things it is available. Simply here there is no rule like if it is a customer payment, left side you are selecting customer, right side you are selecting bank or cash. If it is a vendor invoice, right left side you are selecting vendor, right side you are selecting cost of goods or something. There is some set rules. If it is a vendor invoice, vendor payment, invoice journal or customer payment something. In this, anything can be debited, anything can be credited. Anything can be credited. Look at this one. Left side, there are so many things. Ledger to ledger, you can map, or you can select customer ledger combination. You can select vendor ledger combination, or you can select ledger customer ledger vendor combination. Anything can be left side, anything can be right side. So accountants, they will play a lot. Accountants, journal voucher, JV, they will use the word JV, journal voucher. It is Brahmastra for them. In few minutes they can show profit, in few minutes they can show loss if they want. But of course auditing will be done and they can validate, it will be auditing. So there should be a proper reason whenever they are posting some transactions. So majorly ledger to ledger, ledger to ledger. Whereas customer payment, you are posting like customer and then bank, customer cash. Am I right? If it is a customer payment. If it is a vendor payment, you are selecting vendor and bank. Here it is majorly ledger to ledger. Whether I have given answer to your question?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any more questions, please? Okay, if nothing, then we can wind up the session for today. See here, still it is, let me verify whether it is cleared or not. Yeah, now it was completed. So create balances or change it to rebuild balances in the main account. You can click on rebuild balances. This is one more batch job, and update balances. So tomorrow I will explain you this one also. Most probably tomorrow or Monday I will discuss with you on this one, what it is, create balances, rebuild balances and update balances. And one more batch job also. This is a batch job running. What is this? It is a little bit technical, but we'll discuss on this one tomorrow or Monday or something. Okay, if you execute these balances, then balances will be updated properly in the system, and you can see this one in the trial balance. My intention is to show you the trial balance. In the trial balance, it will show you the perfect balances. If you run this financial dimension sets in the trial balance, you can see main account plus department, and you can click on create calculate balances. Now it will show you each department wise expenditure properly in the quick report. So if you go here 606610, it will show you. Each department wise expenditure, so that if you generate report like 022 department, it will show you the expenses belongs to this expenses for 1500 reporting purpose. Okay, anything else, team? So if nothing, then we can wind up the session for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time, 8 a.m. IST. See you all.